Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is get an app to open this ms-gamebar link. So if you're receiving this error, now to fix it, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website here you can see gamebar. Click on install. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store, and once Microsoft Store is open, if you see install option to install gamebar, you can install gamebar and then you can check. So in my case this is already installed, so if you see install button or get button, install it and then check. Still you're receiving, in that case you can even install gamebar using this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste it over here, paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. And once this is done, now you can restart your computer and then check. Now still not working. In that case you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to again Microsoft website. Install Xbox app. So click on download and then it will again prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So you can just run this. Okay, run this exe file and then it will open Microsoft Store. And if you see the install button over here, you can install, and once Xbox app is installed, now you can restart your computer, and after the system restart you should not receive this pop-up anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.